Welcome to Demystifying Your Credit Score, a step-by-step guide to understanding your financial fingerprint in 2024. Your credit score, it's a three-digit number that carries immense weight in your financial life. It can determine loan approvals, interest rates, and even your ability to rent an apartment. But what exactly is a credit score and how is it calculated? This comprehensive guide, designed in a step-by-step format, will equip you with the knowledge to understand, improve, and leverage your credit score for a brighter financial future. Step 1. The credit reporting agencies, or CRAs, the gatekeepers of your credit history. Imagine three powerful institutions holding your financial report card. These are the credit reporting agencies: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each CRA maintains a separate credit report on you containing information about your credit history, including personal information, name, address, social security number, credit accounts, credit cards, loans, mortgages, and so forth, payment history, timely payments, late payments, delinquencies, credit utilization, the amount of credit you're using compared to your total limit, public records, bankruptcies, foreclosures, tax lines, if applicable. Step 2. Decoding the credit score, the magic formula. While the exact formula used by credit reporting agencies is proprietary, let me give you a breakdown of the key factors that typically contribute to your credit score, each weighted differently. Payment history accounts for 35% and is the most crucial factor. Consistent on-time payments can significantly boost your score, while late payments and delinquencies have a severe negative impact. Next, we have credit utilization, which is about 30%. This refers to the percentage of your available credit limit that you're using. Aiming for a utilization ratio below 30%, ideally under 15%, demonstrates responsible credit management. Credit mix makes up 10% of your score. Having a healthy mix of credit accounts such as credit cards, installment loans like car loans, and mortgages can positively impact your score. Length of credit history accounts for 15%. A longer credit history with responsible management generally translates to a higher score. However, new credit applications can impact your score, so it's wise to apply strategically. Lastly, hard inquiries also make up 10%. Every time you apply for a loan or credit card, a hard inquiry is placed on your credit report, which can slightly lower your score. Be mindful of unnecessary credit applications to avoid this. Now let's look at an example calculation, which is purely hypothetical. Let's assume Sarah has the following. Payment history. Excellent, as she always pays on time, giving her a weight of 35% with a positive impact. Credit utilization, 20%, which has a weight of 30%, also showing a positive impact. For credit mix, she has a credit card and a student loan, which makes up 10% of the score, again with a positive impact. Length of credit history is 5 years, weighted at 15%, and also contributes positively. Lastly, she has had one hard inquiry in the past year, which has a minimal impact at 10%. Based on these factors, Sarah would likely have a good credit score, typically above 670. However, remember, this is a simplified example. The actual calculation considers complex scoring models and may vary slightly between CRAs. Knowing your credit score, it's your right. You're entitled to a free credit report from each CRA every 12 months. Here's how to access them. Visit annualcreditreport.com. This government-authorized website provides a free consolidated report from all three CRAs. Popular apps to monitor your credit score, free with premium options. Credit Karma. Credit Karma offers free credit score monitoring, credit report summaries, and personalized insights. Mint. Mint provides a holistic view of your finances, including credit score monitoring, free with paid tiers for advanced features. Credit Sesame. Credit Sesame offers free credit score monitoring, credit report summaries, and tools to help you improve your credit health. Understanding your credit report. Reading between the lines. Once you have your credit report, carefully review each section. Here's what to look for. Accuracy. Verify all personal information is correct. Report any errors to the CRA immediately. Negative marks. Look for late payments, delinquencies, or charge-offs. Written off debt. If you find any inaccuracies, dispute them with the CRA and the creditor that reported the error. Credit utilization. Calculate your credit utilization ratio for each account and your overall credit usage. Aim to keep it below 30% for a positive impact. Building and maintaining a stellar credit score. A step-by-step action plan. Now that you understand the credit score game, let's explore actionable steps to build and maintain a credit score that unlocks financial opportunities. Pay bills on time, every time. This is the golden rule. Late payments can significantly damage your score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure timely payments. Maintain low credit utilization. Don't max out your credit cards. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%, ideally under 15%. Consider paying down your balances before your statement closes for a more favorable credit utilization ratio. Become a credit card strategist, use your credit card responsibly, and pay your balance in full each month. This demonstrates responsible credit management and helps build your credit history. Diversify your credit mix. Having a healthy mix of credit accounts shows responsible credit behavior. Consider applying for a secured credit card if you have limited credit history. Don't go on an application spree. Multiple credit inquiries in a short period can negatively impact your score. Apply for credit only when necessary and space out your applications. Monitor your credit report regularly. Check your credit report for errors at least once a year. Dispute any inaccuracies immediately to protect your credit health. Popular apps mentioned earlier, Credit Karma, Mint, Credit Sesame, offer free credit score monitoring and can help you stay on top of your credit report. If you're new to credit, here are effective strategies to build your credit history. Become an authorized user. Ask a friend or family member with good credit to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Their positive payment history can improve your score over time. Consider a secured credit card. Secured credit cards require a security deposit but function like regular credit cards. Responsible use and timely payments can significantly boost your credit score. Student loans. Responsible management of student loans can contribute positively to your credit history. The internet is full of credit repair myths. Here are some common ones to avoid. Myth: closing unused credit cards improves your score. Fact: closing old accounts can actually shorten your credit history and potentially lower your score. Keep unused accounts open in good standing if they have no annual fees. Myth: paying off collections accounts removes them from your report. Fact: while paying off collections can improve your score, the negative mark may stay on your report for up to 7 years, depending on the debt type. However, timely payments after the debt is settled can demonstrate positive credit behavior moving forward. Myth: credit repair services can magically fix your credit score. Fact: while credit repair services can help dispute errors on your report, building good credit habits like on-time payments and responsible credit utilization is the key to a healthy score. While a good credit score is essential, it's just one piece of the financial puzzle. Here are additional steps to build a strong financial foundation. Create a budget and track your spending. Knowing where your money goes helps you identify areas to cut back and free up resources for debt payments or savings. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3-6 months of living expenses to cover unexpected costs and avoid relying on credit cards. Invest for your future. Consider investing in retirement accounts or other investment vehicles to secure your financial future. Understanding your credit score and taking proactive steps to improve it can empower you to achieve your financial goals. By applying the knowledge and strategies outlined in this guide, you can unlock a world of financial opportunities and build a brighter financial future. Remember, a good credit score is a journey, not a destination. By consistently practicing responsible credit habits and monitoring your credit health, you can become the master of your credit score.